Are you ready to do cupcake? Cupcake taster face? I had the child over 20 years ago. I gave him a name. Now I'm calling him Cupcake Taster Face. He loves me like that. Okay. Okay. So, here's the roll-up rack. Here's our cupcakes. They've been cooling for about 5 minutes. And since they came out of the microwave. And boop, cupcake.
Just get to eat it.
Yeah, just eat it. Like, that's all you have to do. But tell them what you think.
It's warm, soft to the touch, not too hard, nice and
Can you break it
soft.
open?
I will break it open.
Is it completely cooked?
It does seem completely cooked, a little soft.
2.5 minutes in the microwave.
Can't see with this light, but I'm assuming there's smoke coming up, like in the cartoons, you know? It should be good. Melts in your mouth. I haven't even chewed yet.
Is it chocolatey?
You just
Is it really chocolatey? Like rich chocolatey?
I don't eat chocolate enough to know, but I'm assuming yes.
Okay, that's funny. I am asking him because it's chocolatey temptation cupcake, and his brother had walked over and said, I can't tell if those are burnt or just really chocolatey, and I think they're just, I think they're just really chocolatey. I'm gonna let them cool completely, and I'm gonna make the chocolate fudge sauce to put on there. Here, well here, just take that piece. Oh my gosh, it's almost like brownie level cupcake, right? Definitely must let cool completely before you ice them.
If a brownie and a muffin had a baby in a cupcake size, that's what this is.
And that's why we call them Cupcake Taster Face. Okay,
I'll repeat
I think
that.
that's it. Bye.